What's good, Bass Drop Militia? Bass Drop Keys here. I'm your friendly neighborhood Negro, and welcome to another episode of Good Eats. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake medicated strawberry cheesecake. Say that 5 times fast. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get to this. I was just walking through the store and I came across this Jello no-bake strawberry cheesecake, and I was thinking, yo, what if I just medicate this? So let's go ahead and get into this. The first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you what we're going to be using. Everything that we're doing came from the magical butter machine because that's what I use to make the can of butter. This particular recipe calls for 4 tablespoons or half a stick of butter. So I went ahead and cut off 4 tablespoons, half a stick, and we're going to go ahead and melt that in the microwave. The next step that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take our sugar, and we're going to go ahead and use 2 tablespoons and put it into our butter that's already melted. So we're actually medicating this twice. Our next step is we're going to go ahead and take the crust mix that came in the packet, and we're going to go ahead and put it inside of this. If you don't have the crust mix, you know this is basically just graham cracker crust. After that, we're going to go ahead and combine that, and we're going to go ahead and push that down around the bottom and the sides of our pie pan. And while I'm finishing spreading this around evenly, I want to go ahead and invite you guys to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate all the support. So now let's go ahead and go to the filling. We're going to go ahead and take a 1.5 cups of milk, pour it into our bowl. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the pack that came with the box, pour it inside of it. It's the filling mix. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our hand beater, and we're going to go ahead and on the lowest setting, I'm just going to keep pulsating just to get everything to start mixing up. And then as soon as we get it all mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and we're going to go ahead and beat this mix for 3 minutes, and it's going to thicken up. And I'll show it to you exactly how it looks after the 3 minutes. Here we go. Okay, so I'm done beating this for 3 minutes. As you can see, it's looking great. We're gonna go ahead and take our crust and bring that back out. I'm gonna go ahead and spoon my filling onto my crust and try to spread it out evenly. It's pretty simple to do. You just wanna make sure that you have it somewhat even across. After I get it even and spread it out the way that I want to, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator, and we're gonna let it set up for an hour. So after the hour, we're gonna come back, and then we're gonna go ahead and move to the topping. I'll see you guys in an hour. All right, so it's been an hour. I'm taking the cheesecake out of the refrigerator. I'm grabbing the topping that came with the package, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on top of the cheesecake, the strawberry topping. And we're going to go ahead and spread it around evenly on top of it. The way I like to do this, I like to have a little bit of cheesecake showing. So you have the crust, the cheesecake, and then the topping. That's just the way I like to do it, but you can do it however you want to. So that's it, guys. After this, you can just slice it into however many pieces you want to. This is going to be 8 pieces right here, and enjoy. We are going to be doing a lot of things from scratch, but I do like to go ahead and just take little easy things and medicate it to show you how we can do that as well. So I hope that this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.